How's it going, everybody, and welcome back to Lead Therapy, and thank you so very much for taking time for tuning into my video. Philadelphia's ghost gun ban has been blocked by a state court. I checked on YouTube and I haven't seen anybody that has covered this story yet. So if you enjoy this video, or if I gave you some information you didn't know, please take time to like, share, and subscribe and hit those post notifications. It's greatly appreciated and it helps the channel grow. Homemade firearm enthusiasts in the city of brotherly love were just handed a temporary victory. A judge with the Philadelphia County Court of Common Pleas issued a preliminary injunction against the city on Wednesday. The order halts enforcement of Philadelphia's prohibition of making homemade firearms and the use of 3D printers to make guns and gun parts until the full case can be heard. The ruling deals a blow to the city's attempt to regulate so-called ghost guns, its latest move to push to pass local gun restrictions. The state of Pennsylvania has a firearm preemption statute that prohibits local governments from unilaterally enacting gun control. Philadelphia has had multiple local gun measures rejected in state courts for violating the state law over the years. Despite that fact, it continues to search for ways to evade the law. GOA, Gun Owners of America, sued the city in Pennsylvania State Court last May, challenging the legality of the ordinances under the preemption statute. It's not that the mayor and city council don't know that they can pass these laws. It's that they don't care. Andrew Austin, one of the attorneys representing the plaintiffs, said in a statement at that time, it's more important for them to get a news headline by passing an illegal law than it is for them to actually help their citizens. It's a real shame. The ordinances in question were signed into law by Philadelphia Mayor Jim Kenney, who is a Democrat, in January of 2021. They prohibit anyone that is not federally licensed to manufacture firearms with a 3D printer to create a gun or any gun part. It also bans converting an unfinished frame or receiver into a completed firearm. Violators of the law would be subject to a fine, but repeat offenders could face up to 90 days in jail. The city council argued that the ordinance was necessary to prevent criminals from obtaining untraceable firearms. While it's unfortunate that Gun Owners of America once again has been required to bring suit in order to protect the right to keep and bear arms in the city of brotherly love, the organization said in a press release, the injunction is a victory for city gun owners who may now continue to exercise their constitutional rights to privately manufacture firearms for personal use without fear of reprisal from the city of Philadelphia. While enforcement of the ordinances is temporarily halted following the court injunction, the lawsuit against the ban is expected to proceed in order to reach a decision on the merits in the coming months. Although this might be temporary, this is a big win for law-abiding gun owners who want to manufacture their own firearms in the city of Philadelphia. And I applaud Gun Owners of America for standing up for our Second Amendment rights. Let me know your thoughts about the story in the comments section down below. And as I mentioned at the starting of the video, if you enjoy this video, or if I gave you some information you didn't know, please take time to like, share, and subscribe, and hit those post notifications. And I'll see you guys in the next video.